Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best picture lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Joosenhouse LED picture lights. Whether you need a light system to display your art in the dark or add to your bathroom, dressing table, the Joosenhouse picture lights will always be there for you. It's a multi-purpose light fixture with an innovative modern design and state-of-the-art flexibility. While its installation needs hard wiring, the included instructions will make the process seamless. Easily twist the light's metal frame through 180 degrees to realize the best light angle position. Its frame is made of hardware iron with an antique bronze plating that ensures corrosion resistance. The LED light emits low heat that preserves your artwork's integrity while lasting longer. Moving on at number 4, we have the LEONLITE LED picture light. If you need to save some significant cash but still get your wall's artwork perfectly sparkling, you should find this one from LEONLITE. It gives a view of 120 degrees, and the swivel light head is also adjustable through 270 degrees for better settings. The lamp frame's all-metal construction is advantageous to its stability and disability. You have 2 installation options for this light: hard wiring and wall plugging. For hard wiring, all the necessary tools and instructions are included. These lights use 30,000 kelvins warm LEDs, which last long while giving the right light amount. A 2-year warranty is waiting for you after your purchase. At number 3, we have the Concept 101 LED picture lights. This is a cordless, remote-controlled LED picture light that's usable where power supply is either limited or missing. It uses warm, white LEDs, which conserves power while serving you for years after years without replacement. The LEDs will not emit UV lights that are known to destroy the outlook of your artwork. Achieve a quick, DIY installation using the light's comprehensive manual and included tools. You can seamlessly install the lights on the wall or frame. The dimmable lights can be controlled using a remote, included, or the buttons on its metal frame. You'll love the frame's polished brass finish that resists corrosion and water. At number 2, we have the LUXSWAY rechargeable picture lights. The LUXSWAY wall and frame mountable picture light brings you unmatched versatility. It features dimmable LED lights with 3 lighting modes: warm, natural, and cool white. The cordless lights can be controlled using built-in buttons or the included remote controller. You can always adjust the light's direction using the super flexible parts. While its tilt head can rotate through 180 degrees, the light's neck can rotate all around 360 degrees. The built-in timer function allows you to set the LEDs to automatically turn off after specified periods. Also, feel free to set the brightness to your desired level. What's more, you'll find it easy to install the lights using the included tools and user manual. And finally at number 1, we have the E&Green picture lights. Have the E&Green picture light incorporated into your house's electrical system for a sleek appearance and state-of-the-art performance, not to mention durability. It comes with natural white color, 4000 kelvins, LEDs that won't emit harmful UV rays. While it's non-dimmable, the natural white color takes care of most color ranges. The light's swivel head is adjustable through 90 degrees on a vertical plane, while the beam angle is 120 degrees. You'll love the brass finish on this light's metal frame. The full metal construction ensures sturdiness and durability. You won't worry about replacing the LEDs, as they have years to live. A quick and intuitive installation process with all the tools included will save your time, money, and effort, too. What's better, you don't need to break the bank for one. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.